Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. Last time I showed you how to make central files, how to link them together, how to open central files. In this video, I will show you how to create a project on Autodesk BIM 360 environment and how to sync your central projects that you created last time to your BIM 360 environment. So without any delays, let's get started with the video, guys. Okay guys, here I have ACC Cloud open in front of me and this is how it looks. If you have the access to ACC or Autodesk Construction Cloud, then only you will be able to see this. I have already created this project XYZ that we saw in my previous video, but here I will just to show you guys how to create a project. You just click on create project, you enter the name of the project, project XYZ, project number 001, and you can type the project type. It can be recreational building. Templates are not set yet. You can put in the address as well. This is linked to the server and the online portals, so you will find all the addresses over here. You can just type in any address. Toronto, you can type in any address and then start date, end date, just put the start date. You can make these changes later on as well and click on create projects. I'm not going to click on the create project because I have already created one project. Cancel anyways. And now here I have the project, and once you click on this and you are a project admin, you will see the screen. So here you have what kind of access you want to give someone. For example, I want to enter someone's address. Like I don't have any email address in my mind, but so it is showing that I am already been added. I have to search for any other address. I can assign him his role also over here. I want to have him as a project member, project administration. So right now I'm just giving him the access of project member, and then I will say add. I'm not going to add because I don't have that email ID. Cancel invitation. So this is how you add new members. And here you can see on the right hand side that you have the access of these particular features. Here you have docs. Docs are very important, so you have to give this doc access. Then design collaboration, model collaboration. If you want someone to be collaborating and designing these things. So mostly for all the other members, you just give them the docs access, nothing else. Now here you will go on the left top corner, click on your docs. And now here you can see this is the documents of project XYZ that I created. And here you will have the option of adding a new subfolder and new subcategories. Here you can see that it is empty for now, but we will sync our project that is there on my server to this online portal or online cloud for collaborating with external clients and consultants who are not on my server. So this portion is done. Now if you go here, you can see design collaboration. So you have to make a project shared. So this project file is not shared yet. So you will go here, confirm and continue. So you have to create a shared folder. So here you go, architecture, add team. So this is also very important. This is in the design collaboration. Now you have added and made this as a shared folder. Select this, go here, next. Now your doc is shared. So you will see this shared pop up over here. So now again I am on Revit home screen. Here you will have to see Autodesk Cloud or Autodesk Dock. Here you will go and see what all things you have access to. So as I have added myself as manager, or even if I would have added myself as just a project administrator or a project member, I would have seen this over here. Now I will click and see these folders because I made it shared. So now I will have full access to this. But we don't have to do anything over here first. We will go again and open our central files. So again, we will follow the same process. You don't, or you will never go and click on the recent files. This is not good. So make a habit of opening this like this, how I am doing it. Just click here, go on architecture server, click on your first project, overwrite, because it is a central model and you need the latest updated version and you need to overwrite it. So here you have one. Now, what you have to do is very simple. You just go here, collaborate in cloud, save the model to continue. So I have the option, where do I want to send this? So I will click this, click on the project, and I want to save it in architecture folder. So now everything is over here. I can remove this. First, I was using architecture Revit 2020. So this wasn't like this, and it is very convenient here. I will just go and save. Now it will show us that it is saving the model in cloud. So everything that you have done over here will be saved online. But one thing you have to remember, that you have linked these models, the link will be broken. You have to relink them. So this is done. Close and close. Now you will go on your other model, open it, overwrite, and now again collaborate in cloud, save the model to continue. Then again you will select the same projects, same file location, and if you want you can edit this. Remember, do not press spaces because cloud collaboration counts spaces as objects, so don't do that. This is also saved, and now I will repeat the same thing for every other model. So stay tuned, I will just fast forward it. Okay guys, I have synced everything to the Autodesk cloud or the construction cloud, ACC cloud, whatever you want to call it. So I have done everything, and here you can now see that XYZ site, structure, submission document, and the shell, all the folders that were central models in my previous video, you might have seen it. Now they are on cloud, and they are now cloud collaborated models. Now you don't have to do anything over here. You can just minimize this, then go on your Revit home environment. Here you will see Autodesk docs. Click on this, and then you will have to select the project. Whatever project you have access to will be visible over here. Now click on this, project files, architecture, and voila, you have all the models here as well. Now you have to relink them. Click open. See, here you can see that it is already linked to the project, and you would be wondering how it is still happening. Now go on your insert, manage links, and here you will see the location. So this is still on my server, on my local server. So it is taking that link from my local server and not from the cloud collaboration. So always you have to relink your model after doing the cloud collaboration. You can either do the cloud collaboration first, but in my case, I wanted to show you how to create a central model and link them. And now I have created a cloud collaboration model, and now I will show you how to link these things. Here you can go ahead, and if you want to remove, you can remove the link. And now go ahead add a link. And one more thing, you can add a link only in a working environment and not on a sheet environment. So always remember that. So here, these are still my local files, but you will have to create on this cloud icon over here. So click on this cloud icon and you will see Autodesk Docs, Project XYZ, and then you will see whatever is available for you over here. So which model we are in? We are in shell. That's why shell is not visible. So we will link the site to shell first. Go here. This will keep coming up because obviously it will come as overlay. Close it. And now you can see the file path is changed. It's Autodesk Docs. That means this is our cloud model and this is the right file that we want to link through it. And now click OK. And similarly, you will have to repeat this step for all the fragments that you have uploaded in cloud. And now you will go ahead and save. Again, this is saved locally. If you click on just save, here you have to now click on synchronize, and then you can write comment linked site model. This is good for everyone to write this comment, because whenever you have to restore your model, you will find it very useful because you will know exactly when you have saved that. Because we don't remember by time when we saved what we saved, but if you start doing this and writing these comments, you will exactly know that okay, at this step this percentage of my project was complete, so I can restore or retrieve my files later on. I will show you in my next videos how to retrieve and restore your files as well. So click OK, and this is syncing to the cloud, and now you have linked your cloud model with each other. Okay guys, so this was it for today's video and I hope you learned something new. In this video we went over to how to collaborate in cloud, how to make a project in cloud, and how to link project after you have synced everything into the cloud. If you have any kinds of doubts or queries or anything, please mention it in the comment section. And thank you for supporting my channel, my videos, and my efforts. So yeah, keep supporting and I'll see you soon guys. Take care. Bye bye.